With just one mouse click, you could be earning cash in the snap of a finger when you search on Google. Now, it's crazy to think that just by searching on Google, click on a random links, you're going to be able to get paid PayPal cash without any application, without having any videos, without auditioning. You can instantly get paid, and as soon as you hit $5, you're gonna be able to cash it all out. So if you guys want to know how to do this, because I know you guys just want to know and you know that you're in for a treat, then make sure you type in www. What's up, everybody, and welcome back to the Money Shark channel. We post new and exciting money-making videos every single day, so make sure that you like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already, and make sure to hit that notification bell to be notified every time we have a new video up, so you can be the first to know and try it out. This is a very fast and easy way to earn money that you can do on your free time to be able to earn some money, maybe save up for a gift, maybe buy something that you've always wanted, or just have some savings in your pockets. So it's 100% free. It's super duper easy. It's very accessible. So make sure you watch it to the very end, and let's jump right into it. So step number 1, you're going to open up google.com. And if you didn't already know, Google is actually a search engine, and it's the largest and most visited website in the whole wide world. Now, there's no website that has ever been as popular as google.com. And with that, I'm sure that you know that this is visited by millions of people every single day. And I'm pretty sure that you also use Google every single day. Now, I want to show you something, okay? When you try and search for maybe, let's say, local cafes or any type of business in any place in the world, and I am just going to be using local cafes as an example. Now, don't worry, this strategy, obviously, you don't have to contact any of these businesses. You don't have to sell anything at all you have to do is click on links. But before I show you how, I'm going to show you something very quickly. Now, let's say you want to go and eat at a cafe near you. So you're going to go into Google, you're going to search for local cafes in your area. And Google is going to show you all of these results, right? And you're probably going to choose one that you like and want to eat there. Now, from the first page, with that, you're not going to bother even checking, the second page, the third page, whatsoever. And that is what most of the time is the case. Those cafes that are already on the 5th page or the 10th page or even the ones in the 2nd page, they don't anymore get any clicks, and they're losing a lot of income. They're losing a lot of revenue. Because every time someone Googles local cafes, they just go ahead and choose the ones on the first page. And that is why large companies and businesses are actually willing to pay millions of dollars just to be on the first page of Google as search results, so that they're going to be able to attract more customers, long term. Now, this involves the use of a technique known as search engine optimization, also known as SEO. So when users search for a term, search engines like Google use SEO to be able to determine how important a site is and how high it ranks. For example, if you search for a term, click on the site and stay there for a few minutes, Google is going to consider it as a good site and rank it higher, because Google is the most popular search engine. Businesses are ready to pay excessive amount of money to be at the top of Google results. So moving on to the next step, I want you guys to go on to Google and type in search bar Mozilla Firefox. But before that, I want you guys to check out the description box down below if you want to know how you can make more money online every single day. So make sure you check the description box down below if you want to make even more money online. We have a ton of surprises there, and you're not going to be disappointed. So make sure you check on that. And also, I want to say that you should share with me the country that you reside in and what payment method you guys prefer, so that I can use it for my future videos. And I always appreciate it when you guys comment that down below, because it helps me think of new ideas and concepts. So make sure that you do that, and let's continue. So, as I said, go on to Google and type in Mozilla Firefox. Yes, the other browser, not Google Chrome, but Mozilla. And I want you to install this web browser by clicking on the Download Firefox button up here at their official website, okay, mozilla.org. Don't worry, Firefox is just the same as Google, Apple, Safari. It's both browsers, but in today's video, I think it's just very important that you install and actually make use of Mozilla Firefox, because the method that we are going to be using is exclusive to Mozilla Firefox. So as soon as you have Mozilla Firefox installed, I want you to go back to Google again, this time Firefox browser, and type in SERPclicks on the search bar. I want you to click on this one right here that says SERPclicks.com, and when you click on the link, you're going to see the SERPclicks homepage. Now, how does it work is that people boost their rankings on search engines using SERPclicks. And as you can see on their homepage, grow your SEO rankings using crowdsourced click traffic. So these people actually provide real clickers and ranking services as well. And for example, you're a business owner and you want to invest your money on search engine optimizations. So that's when people search for your type of business. Yours will come out on top and will be most likely going to attract more customers. Now, I want you to do is scroll down to the most bottom part of this page, and under the accounts section, you're going to click on Become a Clicker, since this is what we are here for. We want you guys to click on link and earn some money. And as you can see over here, you're going to be able to earn anywhere from 5 to 10 cents per click, and the minimum payout threshold is around $5, so that's around 50 clicks, which is awesome, right? Next, what you're going to have to do is scroll down again until you see the click here to join the network button. Click on it, and that will then going to take you to the registration page where you're going to start filling up all of the information that they were asking of you. It's free, works absolutely anywhere around the world, and it's just absolutely amazing. So before we finish up, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to our channel, because it really helps the channel. We have new videos for you every day, so you definitely won't regret it. Also, hit that notification bell, because why not, right? So let's wrap this up then. So I can create specific contents for your region and your future videos. Now, just type in your email address, create a password, and enter in your PayPal account. And PayPal account is very important because this is where they're going to send you the money that you can earn from clicking. You'll need to install SERPclicks extension for Mozilla Firefox. Again, this will not work on Google Chrome, only on Mozilla Firefox. You're going to click on SERPclicks browser extension, and it's going to let you download the extension. That is what's going to help us make money. After that, you're going to be able to start making money, and the add-on should install in just a matter of seconds. Just something you need to remember though is once you've gathered $5, SERPclicks will automatically send you the money every beginning of the month. As I've mentioned earlier, and as of now, SERPclicks only processes payments requests with PayPal once a month. And if you don't reach the minimum payout threshold for that month, then the balance will obviously carry on to the next month. And all in all, if you're searching for just a new way to earn money on the side with websites that require no job experience and minimal efforts, then SERPclicks is really the best place to be. And that is pretty much everything. If there's nothing else, then thank you guys so much for watching today's video. We've finally hit 60,000 subscribers. Thank you guys so much for all of your support. And our next goal is 70,000, so make sure that you like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you won't miss a single video, because it would be a total bummer if you missed anything at all. We hope you guys enjoyed today's video. We can't wait to make more, and we will see you in the next one. Have a great rest of the week.